Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show the watch later video on your YouTube application in your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your YouTube application in your mobile phone. So okay, click the YouTube app in your mobile phone. So okay guys, here in your YouTube application, all you have to do is click the library in the lower right side in your screen. So click the library. So okay guys, here you can see the recent video you watched, and another is the history, download, YouTube videos, purchase, and watch later. So okay guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to show the watch later. So okay guys, you have to do is click the watch later. In watch later, so okay guys, you all have to do to sort this video is click the sort on the upper of this video. Okay, you can show the manual by clicking the newest or the oldest, and you can show the most popular video you save in watch later. So okay, you can see the video with newest published or to oldest published. All you have to do is click on the menu. Okay guys, to delete the saved video in your watch later, so okay guys, all you have to do is on the right side on your video, so click the three dot on the right side of your videos. Okay, in this option, so you can save to playlist or remove from your watch later, or you can download this video, or you can share your video to others. So okay, in this tutorial I will remove this video on my watch later. Okay, click the remove from watch later. Okay guys, you can see the watch later on your YouTube application or your YouTube account. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.